Not every smartphone gets attention from tech giants and social media icons, but the Huawei Mate X-T breaks that mold with force. This tri-folding marvel isn't just a concept, it's a real commercially available powerhouse with the kind of presence that turns heads. What sets it apart isn't just the rare triple-fold mechanism, but the precise engineering behind it. Fully unfolded, it stretches into a massive 10.2-inch OLED LTPO display, just 0.14 inches thick, thinner than most tablets or even traditional smartphones. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Mini Proca condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass Rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. The Miku Pro contact-free breathing and sleep tracking monitor is a revolutionary solution for parents seeking to stay connected with their baby. This cutting-edge monitor offers real-time insights into your baby's breathing and sleep patterns, eliminating the need for invasive equipment. With the Miku Pro, you can monitor your baby's respiration rate right from your smartphone, without the need for wearables, wires, or special clothing. Late-night raids, open-world adventures, or split-screen duels. Whatever your style, this gaming bed transforms your space into a true command center. Tailored for adults who refuse to compromise comfort or performance, this setup combines immersive tech, smart design, and bold aesthetics. Packed with features that matter, it includes a 32-inch HD TV built into the footend, fully upgradable to a 43-inch 4K screen. No need to guess when your plants need water. LeafyPod does the thinking for you. This intelligent plant care system harnesses AI-powered smart watering to precisely deliver the right amount of hydration at the right time. Say goodbye to overwatering or parched roots. LeafyPod continuously monitors soil moisture, light intensity, temperature, and humidity in real time, adapting to your plant's evolving environment. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffies step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffies handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Moofy offers a unique and innovative way to craft essential oils and infused oils at home, making DIY projects simpler and more accessible. This advanced device lets you effortlessly extract essential oils using flowers, spices, and water. With a single press of a button, you can start your oil-making process and let the device handle the rest. The Smart Machine's core technology utilizes precise temperature control and a built-in circulating coil system that ensures optimal extraction of flavors and essences. Keeping tabs on your pet's health shouldn't be stressful, messy, or expensive. That's why the amzn.to Pet Test Kit offers a smarter, cleaner way to monitor your companion's condition from home. No vet office required unless truly necessary. In just 60 seconds, a single drop of urine analyzed by a machine learning algorithm gives you precise results across 10 key health parameters, including pH, glucose, protein, ketones, and more. The color-coded app makes tracking abnormalities easy at a glance. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Precision meets endurance with the Zhiyun Crane 4E, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for professionals who demand intelligent ergonomics and long-lasting performance. Engineered for efficiency, its reduced weight construction eases strain through a 25% wrist effort reduction, a 20% sling grip energy save, and a 15% dual hold fatigue drop. The modular sling grip adjusts in length and direction, catering to hours of dynamic filming without burnout. Swipit redefines on-the-go power with its groundbreaking instant power system. In a world where constant connectivity is a necessity, Swipit ensures your devices are never without charge. The Swipit Link features a robust 3,500 mAh battery that keeps your phone alive, while the Swipit Hub allows for effortless swaps, offering a fully charged replacement in a matter of seconds. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply living life in the fast lane, it guarantees you'll never be left powerless. The Focus Sound see-through glass directional speaker is a unique blend of innovative sound technology and modern decor. This sleek, transparent speaker utilizes advanced directional audio, allowing sound to travel in a focused beam towards the listener, creating an immersive experience without disturbing the surrounding area. Its invisible headphone effect makes it perfect for spaces where quiet listening is a priority, such as in offices, libraries, or personal spaces. Introducing the Titaner Titanium Folding Fan, a meticulously crafted tool that combines elegance and functionality in a sleek, compact design. This limited-release fan is expertly constructed from high-grade titanium, offering durability and lightweight convenience for a variety of uses. Whether for cooling during hot days, adding flair to performances, or even self-defense, this fan stands out in every regard. The folding fan's titanium frame ensures a robust structure that resists wear and tear, making it a reliable accessory for both everyday use and special occasions. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. In the ever-demanding landscape of hybrid workflows and remote collaboration, this machine stands out, not just for power, but for precision. The Asus ZenBook Duo redefines multitasking with its twin 14-inch OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, each panel delivering stunning color depth, true blacks, and ultra-smooth visuals for creators, coders, and professionals who rely on responsiveness and clarity. This is more than a laptop, it's a portable dual-screen workstation. The Rankstone Rank case elevates the experience of using your iPhone with its thoughtfully designed features. The 3.98-inch high-definition ink screen provides an expansive, clearer display, enhancing the overall visual experience. With a larger screen-to-body ratio, Every image appears sharper, while the reduction of pattern noise ensures the display is finer and more refined, offering crisp text and images for optimal readability. The case is crafted with an elegant and sophisticated design, making it not only functional but also a statement piece. Roam X is an innovative e-wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. Hero Electric Nail Clipper combines modern technology with refined design to deliver a revolutionary grooming experience. This innovative device offers a two-in-one function, both clipping and filing nails effortlessly. Its sleek, stylish design transforms any space into a sophisticated setting, doubling as an exquisite desktop ornament. Safety is at the forefront with built-in infrared detection, ensuring secure operation while preventing accidents. The clippers are thoughtfully designed to be user-friendly, making them ideal for both the elderly and children. When stiffness locks up your knees after a long day or your joints ache from old injuries, relief shouldn't take hours. This innovative 3-in-1 therapy device targets knee discomfort fast, combining deep tissue air compression, penetrating infrared light, and customizable heat therapy. In less than 15 minutes, the unit works through layers of tension, encouraging blood flow and reducing inflammation where it hurts most. The design wraps comfortably around your knee using soft massage airbags that mimic gentle kneading to stimulate surrounding muscles and ligaments. From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Huneet transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Huneet sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's Wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Gloves are no longer the future. B-Stick brings full tactile immersion to your fingertips today. Built as the first handheld haptic VR controller that translates virtual contact into real sensation, B-Stick redefines how users connect with digital environments. Unlike vibration-based devices, B-Stick delivers detailed feedback to each individual finger, allowing you to feel textures, pressure, resistance, and object shape with precision. Every detail of the GameSir Supernova is engineered to push the boundaries of console-style control across any device. Designed for endurance, its ergonomic shell features textured, rubberized grips and ultra-quiet buttons, making marathon sessions more comfortable and less distracting. The magnetic smart charging dock with a built-in 1000 mAh battery ensures that when you're ready to play, your controller is too. No cords, no hassle. Reimagine your space with the power to transform any flat surface into an interactive experience. The Puppy Hachi Infinite M1 is more than a projector. It's a portable smart hub, merging voice-responsive control, rich media playback, and touch interactivity in one sleek form. With 10-point AnyTouch technology, you can draw, swipe, write, or play directly on walls and tables, all with fluid, near-instant responsiveness matching high-end capacitive screens. Imagine a world where perfect nails are no longer a luxury reserved for salon visits. With this innovative device, you can achieve flawless nails without ever leaving home. It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's called Nimble. This revolutionary tool is the first of its kind, designed to effortlessly paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes. Nimble uses advanced technology to scan the shape and size of each nail, ensuring the perfect amount of polish is applied every time. The MirrorCam web camera is a sleek and efficient camera designed to enhance your digital setup without unnecessary complications. Compact yet powerful, it offers full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing clear and crisp visuals with a flexible refresh rate of 50 Hz, which can be adjusted to 60 Hz if needed. This makes it suitable for video calls, streaming, or recording, ensuring you always look your best. Elevate your golf game with the cutting-edge Aiming View Golf Aim Finder, designed to enhance your swing accuracy and precision. This device, powered by an ultralight 3D motion sensor, easily plugs into your golf club, providing real-time feedback on your swing mechanics. With its intuitive design, Aiming View tracks the optimal angle and trajectory, giving you the insights needed to improve every shot. The Halo Falls 3-in-1 waterfall, Bluetooth speakers, and shade lamp is an innovative piece designed to enhance your space with its multifunctional features. This captivating device combines the soothing sounds of flowing water, high-quality Bluetooth speakers, and a soft shade lamp, all in one compact design. The mini waterfall brings a tranquil ambiance to any room, creating a relaxing atmosphere with the sound of gently cascading water. Compact and stylish, this 3-in-1 device serves as both a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. The Hybrid M chair is designed to transform your seating experience into something extraordinary, combining relaxation and productivity in one sleek package. Perfect for gamers and professionals, this chair offers a revolutionary solution to alleviate the aches and strains caused by extended sitting sessions. Incorporating a built-in massage module, the Hybrid M brings immediate comfort with its innovative design. No cords, no limitations, just pure freedom to enjoy a personalized massage experience anytime, anywhere. Whether you're parked deep in the desert or camped by a winding trail,